Hi, welcome to our electromagnetic theory course. In this video, we will discuss about magnetic potentials. One is scalar potential, that is magnetic scalar potential represented by V suffix m, and another one is magnetic vector potential, that is represented by A bar. Of course, these magnetic vector potentials can be derived or defined with the help of vector identities. We know that curl of gradient of vector identity, one of the vector identity, curl of gradient of any scalar is 0. Curl of gradient of any scalar is 0. Means what? Let us apply like this, that is curl of del cross gradient of any scalar, that is del cross del Vm. Okay, of course, here I consider negative sign, del cross del Vm equal to 0. Curl of gradient of any scalar is 0, that is del cross del Vm 0. Let us multiply with minus on both sides. I will get del cross minus del Vm equal to 0. Okay, we know that del cross, okay, we know that E equal to what? We know that as E equal to minus del V, as similar to electric field intensity, we have magnetic field intensity H is defined like this, H equal to minus del Vm, means what? Here I can consider del cross, as H is defined like this, that is minus del Vm, I can replace this minus del Vm with del cross H equal to 0. Means what? Del cross H equal to 0, okay, del cross H equal to 0, but del cross H is J, del cross H equal to J from Ampere circuit law. Del cross H equal to 0, but del cross H equal to J from Ampere circuit law. That means what? This magnetic scalar potential can be defined, therefore Vm can be defined when J equal to 0. When J equal to 0. If J equal to 0, del cross H equal to what? J. Del cross H equal to what? J. Del cross H equal to 0. That implies what? Del cross H is defined like this, del Vm equal to 0, that is curl of gradient of any scalar is 0. Of course, vector identity is always satisfied, but the condition to define this Vm is defined when J equal to 0, del cross del Vm equal to 0. Okay, this is about what? Magnetic scalar potential. And what about the unit of del Vm? Del Vm equal to H means what? The unit of Vm is ampere. The unit of Vm is, as I will write like this, as H equal to minus del Vm, as H equal to minus del Vm, the unit of Vm is measured in terms of amperes. As there is no current, okay, J equal to 0 means as there is no current, then only we can define, as there is no current density is 0 means current is 0. In that case only we can define this Vm. Means what? Magnetic field is due to current, that current is replaced with what? This Vm. Vm is measured in amperes. Del is measured in terms of per meter, Vm is measured ampere per meter. That's why the unit of H is ampere per meter. Okay, similar to this, again this one, magnetic vector potential, is also defined or derived with the help of another vector identity. That vector identity is nothing but what? Divergence of curl of any vector is 0. Divergence of curl of any vector is 0. Mathematically how we can write? That is del dot del cross A equal to 0. Del dot del cross A equal to 0. Now we know that del dot b equal to 0, del dot b equal to 0. This equation 1 and equation 2 are equal, so that's why del cross A equal to, from 1 and 2 I can write from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 del cross A equal to what? B, del cross A bar equal to B. So A is called as magnetic vector potential. A is called as what? Magnetic vector potential. A is magnetic vector potential. A is magnetic vector potential. Here how we defined magnetic scalar potential? By applying similarity, that is E equal to minus del V, then H equal to, H can be written as minus del Vm, and we have vector okay, that is electric potential, electric scalar potential. V is nothing but what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r, epsilon naught r small r capital R, or else this can be written as what? In integral form, integral dq by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Similarly electric field, this is the electric parameter, means what? Electric field is due to charge and magnetic field is due to current. So that's why here differential charge is replaced with differential current to define our magnetic vector potential A. Here differential charge is replaced with the differential current element, that is IDL by 4 pi r, and here 1 by epsilon naught, that can be taken here mu naught IDL by 4 pi r. This is the expression for what? A equal to mu naught IDL 4 pi r in case of the current element, line current element. For the surface current element, that is mu naught, IDL can be replaced with KDS by 4 pi r, or else in case of volume current it can be replaced with JdV by, or else I will write that one here, the three expressions, that is A equal to, A can be magnetic vector potential, A equal to what? Integral IDL, that is mu naught IDL by 4 pi r, or else integral mu naught K into ds by 4 pi r, or else in terms of volume current, that is mu naught J into dV by 4 pi r. So this is about the magnetic vector potential. Okay, this is magnetic scalar potential, this is magnetic vector potential. Okay, we have Poisson's and Laplace equation. Poisson's equation is given by del square V equal to 0, del square V equal to 0, that is Laplace equation, and Poisson's equation is given by del square V equal to minus rho V by epsilon. Now we will discuss about this Poisson's and Laplace equations for our magnetic scalar and vector potentials. Magnetic scalar potential satisfies the Laplace equation, whereas magnetic vector potential satisfies that Poisson's equation. Now we will discuss about Poisson's and Laplace equations for the magnetic potentials. Poisson's and Laplace equations for the magnetic potentials. Magnetic scalar potential satisfies, magnetic scalar potential, this one satisfies Laplace equation. Laplace equation means like this. That means what? Del square Vm equal to 0. How we can write del square Vm? Basically we can write del dot del Vm. Let us go for what? Del square Vm equal to 0. Proof. Let us go for what? Del dot H. Del dot B equal to what? 0. Del dot H equal to what? 0. Since B equal to mu naught into H, mu naught is constant, and we can write del dot H. H means what? In terms of our scalar potential like this, that is del dot del is del square Vm minus 0, that means multiplied with 0, there is no sign for 0, that means we can't take sign for 0, 0 means 0 only, that it is not a negative or positive, so that's why del square Vm equal to 0. This is what? Laplace equation for our magnetic scalar potential. Means what? Magnetic scalar potential satisfies the Laplace equation, whereas magnetic vector potential satisfies Poisson's equation. Magnetic vector potential satisfies Poisson's equation. Okay, we have what? that is Poisson's equation is given by del square V equal to minus rho V by epsilon naught. Here in this case it is for what? Poisson's equation for electric field. For the magnetic field, this can be written as del square A. Laplacian operator can be operated on scalar as well as vector. So this can be written like this: 1 by epsilon naught is mu naught into J. Proof. We know that del cross A. We know that del cross A. That is what? Please refer the Laplacian operator topic. Del of del dot A minus del square A. What is A? It is a magnetic field component. For the magnetic field components, divergence of magnetic flux density is 0. Divergence of magnetic field intensity 0. Divergence of magnetic field is what? 0. As it is magnetic field quantity, this becomes what? 0. So that is del of 0 is 0, and here minus del square A. Here I have what? Del cross A. That is del cross A. B, that is del dot B equal to 0. Del dot B equal to 0. Divergence of curl of any vector is 0. That is del cross A equal to 0. From this I have del cross A. Del cross A is B. Del cross A is B. So that's why I can write this one, that is del cross A is nothing but what? Our B. Okay. So but B is what? Del cross A is B. Del cross B. Del of del dot A, del square A, del cross B. Del cross B. That can be written as what? Del cross, that is mu naught into del cross H is equal to what? Minus del square A. Since the reason is what? B equal to mu naught into H. B equal to mu naught into H. But del cross H equal to J. That is mu naught into J, and multiply with the negative sign on both sides. We will get what? Negative into negative, that is plus, minus into minus, plus del square A minus mu naught into J. Del square A into del square A equal to minus mu naught J. This is the Poisson's equation for magnetic field. Poisson's equation for magnetic field. Once again I will explain this one. So Poisson's equation for magnetic field. So del square V equal to minus rho V by epsilon. Charge density is replaced with current density, and 1 by epsilon naught is taken as mu naught. Just as here V equal to what? Integral dq by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So 1 by epsilon naught is taken as mu naught. Here also same thing, mu naught. Okay. 1 by epsilon naught is taken as mu naught here. Here also del square A, 1 by epsilon naught is taken as mu naught. Charge density is replaced with current density. So proof of this one: curl of any vector can be written like this. This is the formula for the del cross A, del of del dot A minus del square A. As A represents the magnetic field parameter, del dot B or del dot H or del dot of any magnetic field vector becomes 0. As it is 0, this becomes 0 minus del square A, and del cross B can be written as what? Mu naught into H. So that's why as mu naught is constant, we can write out of this curl, that is mu naught del cross H. Del cross H is nothing but what? Our J. So that is minus mu naught J del square A equal to mu naught into J. This is what? Poisson's equation for the magnetic field, and this is for what? This is what? Laplace equation for the magnetic field. Means what? Magnetic scalar potential satisfies the Laplace equation, whereas magnetic vector potential satisfies the Poisson's equation. It is all about magnetic potentials. So magnetic potentials means we have two types of potentials: magnetic scalar potential and magnetic vector potential. When it is defined that is curl of gradient of any scalar is 0, that is del cross del Vm equal to 0. From the vector, it is one of the vector identity. So that is del cross H equal to H can be defined H equal to minus del Vm, that is del cross H equal to 0, but del cross H equal to what? J. Del cross H equal to J. That's why if J equal to 0, H is defined as what? If J equal to 0, H is defined as what? Minus del V M. If J equal to 0. Okay, this is all about magnetic scalar and vector potentials. Thank you.